Hello everyone, I'm Erick, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a published portrait photographer and aspiring filmmaker from Manila, and on my channel you can expect my journey into being a filmmaker. On Instagram I provide a short glimpse of my daily life, but in this channel you can expect unboxing of new gears I buy for my filmmaking, my travels, doodle shorts, photo shoots I've done and got published to magazines over the web, and photography filmmaking tips and tricks. I post content 3 to 4 times a month, mostly on Sundays, so be sure to subscribe for new content. And I'm also looking for people like me who are starting, so comment below, introduce yourself, and let's share our journey together. And by the way, also feel free to check out my Instagram if you're looking for daily content. So I guess, see you guys on the next video. Bye.